Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the owner and chef of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest. We are here on behalf of Expat Village. The dish now we're going to be preparing is called Paneer Masala. Okay, so let's add in our oil. We're using vegetable oil, about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. We need to use quite a lot of oil. The reason simply being that oil is a carrier of flavors, and the oil that's why we're using vegetable oil, because we do not want a very strong flavored oil that has a lot of character, because that will not absorb the character of the spices. So let's add our spices. We'll add the cinnamon stick slowly. We'll add the cumin seeds. We'll add the coriander seeds. I'll just take the coriander seeds, put it in my palm and break them slightly. This will give it an additional flavor. We'll break it up slightly and bring out the aromas even better. Add the cloves, the black peppercorn. We'll use 2 black cardamoms. And for the green cardamom, we'll take some green cardamom and I'll put it on my chopping board here. Take my knife, put it on top of it and give it a nice bash. This will sort of open the cardamoms and let the black seeds that are inside the green cardamom will release their aromas better. So the whole point of cooking this dish is to make sure that you release all the flavors from the spices and get it into your masala. If you don't do that, it's just going to be adding a lot of spices and it will be pointless. Now, as you can see, the spices have started to crackle up slightly, and this is a good sign, and they're changing color. The spices are now changing their color and it's sprinkling a little bit, and this is what we want exactly. The spices to change their color slightly and to crackle a little bit. This will ensure that the spices have released their essential oils, and by the time we're adding our rest of the ingredients, they will absorb the flavors from the spices. So now what we're going to do is simply let our onions go slightly brownish.